Test. All right, we are now testing out the video quality and the audio quality. I'm using the K3M microphone, well, the microphone that came with the K3M, and we are testing it out, shooting in 10-bit, 422. We've got like an hour of footage here, and we'll see how it turns out. I'm super excited. I've been shooting with 8-bit for a very long time. Look at them highlights. Look at them clouds. Wow. It's doing pretty well. I'm using the Sony G 20mm lens 1.8. I am not shooting in any picture profile. I should probably be shooting in the S-Log to get the best dynamic range. But what I want to test out here is the microphone's audio quality, because the microphone's right here. And I want to test out the video quality to see how it looks. I'm shooting in 4K, 24 frames per second. Per second. But all in all, looks really good to me. So I'm going to be heading out and getting a sub for my wife. So let's hop in. Great. So I have it on auto ISO, shutter speed 1/30th of a second, aperture 1.8, and it's looking really good. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna see how the audio sounds with the K3M microphone. We're in a store, they're playing music, people are doing their thing, and we'll see how it turns out. It's looking pretty good. I don't have an ND filter on there. The video just looks swimmingly well. I don't know, just the lighting in here is perfect too. We'll see how the audio sounds. I have it set to auto, what's that thing called? Peaking. So I'm editing and the video looks really good. Camera looks great. So just editing, and I'm enjoying the audio. I'm enjoying the video. It looks good. It sounds good. Let me get back to editing the video, and y'all can get back to finishing the video. So if I get too loud, it'll, won't go too crazy. So let me see where the levels are at. Oh yeah, it's kind of high. So I dropped the mic levels down just a tad bit. Again, settings. No picture profile, AF continuous, manual, 24 frames per second, 10-bit 422, and it's going pretty well. I really kind of want to see how it looks in low light. Hopefully we could test it out. These are the ones my wife likes. My wife likes. She loves these. Never stop dating your wife. Never stop. I know this is like a camera review, but never stop dating your wife. Never come home empty-handed. All right, there you go. Also be patient with yourself and her. There you go. So I'm sitting here at the light, just the green light illuminating me. There's like a street light. The dashboard is illuminating me, and my ISO is way up there. 12,800 is on auto ISO. Just gonna let it do its thing. I'm just vlogging, nothing too serious. I'm just testing out the camera. But most importantly, I'm testing out the microphone capabilities, because I'm in the car. We'll see how it sounds. Does it remove the cars in traffic? Because I haven't really tested out this mic other than just vlogging. I literally just took it out the box, did a YouTube live, which was pretty fun, and went to the store to get my wife some snacks. And yeah, we're just gonna see what it do. We're still, again, settings 4K, 24 frames per second, 10-bit 422. I think I do have a picture profile on PP11. Let me see here. No, I'm on PP10. Okay, this is 11. But I mean, even without a picture profile, it still looks good. So this is with no picture profile. I like that I'm able to quite literally just handle the camera with it not facing me. Something that I kind of learned while I was using the Sony A7Cs a lot. Even with my A7S II, I would fiddle with the camera with my Nikon as well. I can just do what I need to do. I haven't mapped the buttons yet. There's like one thing that I did map, and it's that third dial. Tom Buck actually programmed that third dial for audio levels for video, and I did the same. So I'm gonna turn my car light on. That should bring the ISO down a little bit. It's not gonna bring down my greasiness. Yeah, this has been fun. I'm gonna go inside and check this footage, see how it looks on camera, see how it sounds. Most importantly, I got to actually hear some of the footage and hear how it sounded, and it sounded pretty good coming from the camera speakers, but the camera speakers aren't like the best. But I'm really actually shocked, and the camera speakers are actually louder than my Sony A7Cs and my Sony A7S II, which is really good because I can barely hear anything on those cameras when I'm like trying to listen to the audio to see if anything is recording. But all in all, I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna do a quick test inside too. So hold on one second. All right, so I am home now, and it looks good. I can't wait to see how this footage comes out. Audio is going to come out great. I'm a little bit worried because the microphone is above me. That's why I'm kind of like speaking up at it like that, but I think it should be fine. A few things I'm really excited about using the camera for is that little joystick. It's really dope. I've been shooting in 2.0 the whole time. Nah, man, I gotta be in 1.8. I love this 20 millimeter 1.8 lens. It has the aperture blade thing you can control here. Well, I picked it to control the aperture. It's pretty fun. All right, thanks y'all for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this and an update. This is not like a scientific video, more so like, hey, I got a new tool and I wanted to use it, and here we are. All right, peace.